Hello everybody and welcome to my December collective haul. This quite possibly is going to be my shortest haul. I know I had one that was like maybe 11 minutes before. Yeah, I didn't do any shopping in December for myself. So I have a decent stack from SPC that I have brought home, and then this order is from Press, and that's all I have to show you, and I feel so bad, but like I'm happy with everything that I have to show you. It's just not a bunch. So I did place an order with Press for her December mystery because quite obsessed with it, and then I did get 2 of the foil bundles that she had to go with it. I don't necessarily think I would use hollow with this kit, but I figured it wouldn't hurt to have, I'll show you the kit first, both of these in hollow. Oh my gosh, what's on my hand? That's not blood. That's dye. I'm so sorry. Like dye for wax melts. Like, look, I can just wipe it off. Sorry about that if you've been staring at that. So the December mystery kit was called Cherry Bomb. I initially, and I still do, have the SPC January mystery slotted for Avery's birthday because it gives me Avery vibes. But this also gives me Avery vibes, so I think I'm gonna have her like choose which one she wants me to use for her birthday, and we'll just go from there because my girl do love cherries, as most of you know. So I do have the 15mm strip here. Like I said, this kit is called Cherry Bomb. It is so cute. Everything cherry. Like, it's got like the ice cream shop vibes. I love the cake up top here, this little jacket. The scene is very cute. I love the banana split. I'm not a banana split lover, but like really obsessed with that, and just I love the whole vibe of this. I think it's super cute. Here's the deco page. The colors are great. I also feel like these colors are super cute for February, so it would totally work for her birthday. So yeah, I'm just probably like in a vlog I'll have her choose which kit she wants. I'll just put them both in front of her. I love this onion ring tower here, and see which one she wants me to use. I feel like she'll choose this one though for sure. This girl is a cherry queen. And then I do have the extra boxes here, which these are so cute. If I use this for Avery, I would use like the little brown hair girl because that's super cute. But I just love these fashion girls a ton. I'd probably use, I mean, all of them. They're all really cute, honestly. So that is the kit for the December mystery kit. I've just been obsessed with this. Or like the Press mysteries. They've just been so good. And the SPC ones, like I just feel like both Maggie and Andrea are like killing it as far as art goes too. Good thing there wasn't a sticky on the back of this because I totally just shoved that in. So then this was the foil bundle that Maggie advertised with it. I did get 2 because I always get 2 just in case, but I totally feel like I would just bring in like red and black and even maybe gold with this kit, but I just feel like hollow is such a choice. But again, I do have 2 to show you. I'll show you one obviously, but I didn't get the full bundle because I can just pull in hollow bougie boxes if I wanted to, but I would more than likely use underlays with this. Hannah from Planet Hannah asked on her Facebook group, which you guys should totally join, what people wanted for like January, February releases, and I said cherry everything because I would totally buy cherry underlays, cherry washi. Like I would go hard, ham on cherries. So this comes with 2 full box pages. It is hollow. I'm not quite sure how well you're gonna see it. I like this stroke box with the cherries on each corner. This one has like cherries behind it. You have like a scene. This one has a tall box. I don't think there was a tall box in this kit. The cherry headers. I love the cherry hole reinforcers, the fun headers, the washi, the deco bits, the date numbers, and you have some scripts, weekend banner, and then large and small icons. So, I mean, even if I don't use this kit with this foil bundle in particular, I still feel like this foil bundle will eventually become like good to use. Like a summer kit would be really cute, a 4th of July kit this would be really cute for. So that was my order from Press for like the entire month because I suck. And then here's my like good stack of SPC stuff. Lots of foil bundles. Clearly, I'll start with this chunky stack here. I could probably throw that away. Oh, where's my trash bag? Oh, it's right here. Okay, so from this, I have the 3, nope, I have 2 colors of the week. Yes. So I have the pink. I don't know if these are all the 1 through 12. I think they are. Yeah. So this is sheet 1 through 12 of this like really pretty light pink. This is like a millennial pink. This would match like a cool toned millennial pink. I feel like this would match a ton of spreads, honestly, especially like summer spreads. So This is just sheet 1 through 12 of that. And then this is like the prettiest blue. I feel like this would be really good for like winter kits, summer kits. It's just really pretty. It's like a nice like mid-toned blue. So I have sheets 1 through 10 in this as well. I think I eventually need to narrow down what sheets I like don't use, but like sometimes I always feel like I grab like a random sticker from a sheet, you know? So I have those. I can just put these away because mine are right here. I have some new doodles, which I'm really excited about. I've been like obsessed with all the new doodles. So this is sheet 653. I think I'm just gonna immediately slot this in with my Seasons Creepings kit because it's perfect for that. This is 652, which is like the magical Christmas. Ooh, sorry, 651. So this is like pastel. This is like the classic Christmas colors. These are so freaking cute. 650, like the neutral Disney stuff. 649, the pink Disney Christmas stuff. 648, workout gear. 647, like the Annie Ann's pretzel dipper things. They're so good. 645, the dipped cone. 644, pretzels. I need these. I love pretzels. 643, wings. And then 624, I didn't grab this initially, but then I realized like this is actually perfect to mark meals and places you go out to eat or anything you eat that doesn't have a specific sticker. This works perfectly. So it's just like cutlery. So those are the doodles I grabbed. And then I do have some of the characters because I only have 2 of them because they're just so cute. I grabbed Bingo and Bluey. I just had to. They're so cute. They're literally so cute. I'm obsessed with Bingo and Bluey. I love to think that my kids, because they're both girls, are Avery's Bluey, Bingo is Reagan. But if you watch the show, I think Muffin and Socks are more their speed, but love those. And then I did grab some of the new Scribbler girls. I grabbed number 23, 3, the girl with the lights. And this is 24, 3, like the winking lashes. I thought this would be cute just for like anything in general. I might even grab this in like, so this is in girl number 3. I might grab this in girl number 4 and girl number 6 as well, just to use for like other people in my life. Maybe girl number 2 too. So that's all the like small sheets from SPC. Then I do have a butt ton of foil bundles because as I collate foil bundles, I bring home 2 for myself because I always feel like 2 is the best number for me as like a starter number. So I have 2 of the chunky, this is like the chunky sparkly gold. I'm just gonna go through one of these so you can see the format, and then all of the rest of them are the same format. So this is the old chunky format. There, you'll see the new chunky format soon actually, so maybe I will open all of those. So this is the sparkly gold. I feel like this would be good for like holiday spreads, summer spreads, super cute. So you have 6 full boxes, headers, 6 more full boxes, headers, your 2 bougie sheets, the icon, small and large, I almost said date numbers, scripts, a weekend banner, washi, date numbers, more deco bits, and like I say, fun headers. So I have 2 of this like sparkly gold because like I said, I think this would actually be a really good like holiday foil bundle to have as well. I closed that, sorry, so annoying. Let me fix that so that's not in my storage weird. Same with that, I have 2 of the chunky in the sparkly chunky hollow, and then 2 in lavender hollow. I had to, these are the golden champagne lights. These were restocked. I had to bring home 2 more. This is just such a usable freaking foil bundle. Golden champagne lights is like such a good combo. I think gold champagne lights, silver, sparkly hollow, and matte bronze and matte rose are like kind of my favorite things ever. So this is sort of the same thing. This is in the shimmer foil bundle pattern. So you have the full boxes, the headers, and then these have the shimmer bougie boxes versus like the classic. You have the new font, which I'm obsessed with because look, it's like mixed champagne lights and gold. It's so freaking pretty. Some new icons, I think maybe, I'm not sure. And then the washi is so pretty. So 2 of these because like they were needed. They're so beautiful. I don't even think I brought home 2 initially because they sold out so fast. And then these were actually, I think these haven't been released yet. They'll be released, you guys will see this video Friday, so they would have been released Wednesday. These are the 2 new like chunky ones. I don't know what she's calling these. I have no idea, but I just put like dark pink and sparkly red. I'll show you the sparkly red. So I have 2 of the dark pink, super pretty. She also did release like fun bougie boxes with those, which I haven't brought home yet because I don't, it's so stupid and hard to explain, but I don't like to grab them unless they've been like put in the organizers. So I'm just waiting until I fill those orders and then I'll bring those home. But I'll show you the sparkly red, and this is the new like a chunky format, which is so nice. I actually really love this. You have your headers still, your full boxes still. Your bougie boxes. It's like a sparkly red. This is perfect for like Valentine's Day, Christmas, I mean anything. Yeah, love the scripts, love the icons. It's just so pretty, and I love this like deco bits. They're so nice and like pretty versus like, I don't know why, but I don't like the bow deco bits because I feel like they're kind of hard to throw in, but these are super easy. So those are all the foil bundles. I'll add those to my beautifully large stack of foil bundles, but y'all know they get used because I love them. And then I have 2 kits. I'll do this. 2 kits to show you guys. The first one is the Austin kit, which I obviously needed. I live in Austin. I love Austin. We've been here almost 8 years now, which is crazy. And I actually feel like I have the perfect time to use this because my parents are moving here and I could cry. I'm so excited. So I think it'd be perfect to use this the week that they move here, which I think is in the summer. Girl, I don't know. But I'll show you guys this kit because I'm obsessed. But I feel like Austin's like a hot travel destination for so many people. Bachelorette parties, bachelor parties, like all sorts of things. So I have the doodles and the fashion girls because I felt like I needed them. Here's the freebie. Clearly I will be using this box. And then yeah, so here are the full boxes. I love the platter of like barbecue food. Huge fan. I love this, I said the monuments, the walls, the bat bridge, the cute little outfit, the map. I feel like I've walked that before. So fun and exciting. I love these colors. Very like neutral, almost like anytime colors, which I really enjoy because you could use this any time of year, whenever you're traveling to Austin, you live here. The Tex-Mex, love it. So I don't even know what foil I would use with this. Probably gold, honestly. Or I could actually get really fun with this. I have a vision. But yeah, I think I'm gonna be using this in the summer when my parents move here. So I'm very excited to be using that. And then the last thing I have to show you, the last kit, is Frosty, which I'm so excited for. I'm like, I haven't really been obsessed with like the winter art this year. And I feel like this one, I saw this, oh, I really need to get rid of this. And I was like, oh, this is so freaking cute. I'm obsessed with it. So I'll show you the Frosty kit because she's quite cute. So extras wise, I have the doodles. I got Fam 4 because I've been coloring my hair darker and I don't know why, but just like black hair just really speaks to me. And then I also grabbed the fashion girls because I just love how their little hands are covering their faces. It's so cute. Here's the freebie. Big fan of waffles. And then these full boxes are so cute. I just am obsessed with like the reindeer and their little noses, and I just love her hair. I probably use her hair honestly just to keep the colors going, but like the little cat box, that gives me my cat energy because I have like a little cat that looks like that. The book, what is this? Lion, Witch in the Wardrobe. I'm just, the scene, this is just so pretty and I love these colors. Oh, the wax warmer, I could cry. That is so cute. Yeah, I love these colors. These could give you such, like you could use such pretty foil with this kit. I'm so excited. So, more waffles. So I'm really excited to use this kit in January for sure. I think this is my like gonna be slotted as my like last winter kit of the year. But that is gonna be it, you guys, for my haul. I know it wasn't a lot, but like I haven't been shopping. I've just been like trying to save money. It's been difficult. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.